So I come back. Now we are going to replot the average return versus standard deviation diagram, but without the data error, or with the corrected data. I don't know. I'm not sure that data is corrected, but at least we got rid of the obvious data error. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, didn't we do it? Yes, we did. Right, so this plt.show I don't need. We just replotted. Oh, I see. But I would also like to have the 1/n portfolio in. So you learn something in addition about diversification just by looking at that plot. Yeah, so therefore, let me get the equal weight portfolio. The equal weight portfolio. And the investment opportunities. Do I have that already? Yeah, I got the investment opportunities. Okay, let's just forget about the equal weight portfolio for the moment. Let's just do one learning point after the other. So I just replot that thing here. So what's that again? Well, we're just saying make a scatter plot of X and Y from the investment opportunity set. Oh, I see. But what is the investment opportunity set? It's that thing here. So we have to rerun that. We have to rerun that up here. Yeah, investment opportunity set, new calc after removing SRP data error. All right. So we want to reinitialize investment opportunity, take the mean and the standard deviation of RD, and RD was adjusted for SAP. Data error, give me the mean, the vol, annualize everything, and then do the plotting. That sounds good. All right, you see, picture looks different. That is a picture you would have assumed if you have seen some type of expected return vol diagram in a textbook or somewhere else. It's just somewhere around 45%, the max here, 50%. You see, and to the north of 20%. Not to the north, that's not the north, yeah? That's the east. So these are like your investment opportunities in a two-dimensional diagram. But it's the realized moments, not the expected moments moving forward. Not necessarily. And you see SAP just getting rid of these 6 or 8 data points, which were obviously wrong. It just pushes this standard deviation from 102% down to something like 36% by factor 3. So watch out for data errors. Watch out for data errors, especially to my students at the KIT who come with the big machinery and just say, give me some data, I want to work with the data, but you have to understand the data and you have to connect to your intuition. If you don't have intuition, build it up like we do here and correct obvious mistakes. And right, the Siemens thing is also, there's something odd, but Siemens here, if I look at that diagram, I don't find it so quickly. I don't know, it's in the cloud. All right, so that's what we have. In the next video, I'm going to add the 1/n portfolio, and then we talk a little bit about diversification.